Hi guys, welcome back to GearBest channel. And this month, in the past 30 days, Huawei released their Mate 40, Apple released their Apple 12, and Xiaomi released their 10T series. OnePlus just made their announcement yesterday. So I probably get a little bit lost with all these top performance smartphones, but ask yourself, would you rather go with an Apple, or if you are under a very tight budget, you're probably gonna go with this Xiaomi version. And what's so cool with the Xiaomi version is that it's gonna fit perfectly into your Xiaomi economy system if you are building a smart home. So, and today, unfortunately, I'm not doing an unbox. Definitely some things I can tell you guys is that it comes with a Type-C cable, and at the same time, it comes with 33 watts fast charger. However, you would never expect this happen with Apple. Is that they give you a phone case, and with that phone case, there is a Xiaomi logo on the bottom. But that phone case claimed to kill 99% of the bacteria. I don't know how the lab tests it out and if it's a thing with the COVID-19. But if you're curious, you definitely can buy yourself a macro lens and use a little bit and watch the data and see how it performs. And you can always leave a comment with us or with Xiaomi. It's just saying. Okay, let's move back to this smartphone in front of me. So this is a mechanical version, and we are selling the Xiaomi Mi 10 on our website, but this one comes a little bit mixed. Okay, look at this very typical Xiaomi thing, and it's 6.67 inches. And this one in my hand is actually silver, but it gives you a lot of mix. When I flip it, it gives you a little bit of silver, blue and gray at the same time. It's kind of cool, and it doesn't collect your fingerprints. And look at the surrounding. The surrounding has a fingerprint and lock button, the volume adjustment, and the Type-C charger. Okay, it comes with all this, but three things I would tell you are very noticeable or kind of different on the surface is one, look at this. This is standing very top, very high over here. That's a camera side, and this one gives you a much larger lens over here. With the 10T version, it comes with 64 MP, and with the 10T Pro version, it comes with 108. But there is a huge price difference over there, and we are going to tell you how much is that difference by the end of this video. And typical light sensor and other very standard camera lens over here. And just one thing I would notify you guys is that both Huawei and Apple has this ultra wide camera lens, but this one just give you a wide lens. So if you are taking picture, if you are traveling outside and taking picture with your friend, just let them do their work, and you can always get a picture transferred over to your phone. Okay, two more things. The notch over here is slightly smaller. I bet they made a lot of effort over here, and I think they are going to limit it smaller and smaller. And one other tiny thing over here is that over here, this is a message notification. So if it's just sit silently over here, you wouldn't notice the thing. But if a message comes in, it's gonna light up. I think that's a smart design. So why do you get a smartphone? Why do you want to upgrade this one? Definitely because it has a better performance. And define the better performance, you're definitely looking at the CPU, and it's a Snapdragon 865. It gives you a much better calculating speed. And two more things, if you play games a lot or you watch videos a lot, and this one supports up to 8K videos. Everybody would know this one comes with 144 Hertz, which means it's much faster sensitive to everything you are doing. And I'm just swiping this really fast, and it's still very stable. So with the 144 Hertz, you're probably gonna worry, what if this phone dies fast? And we definitely thought about that because two ways. The first way is the auto calculation. If you're looking at something like a Word document or something like a content, it goes with the lower refresh rate. But if you're looking at something like you want better experience, you can set it up, or this smartphone is going to calculate it to 144. Or you can just always set it up around 90 Hertz, which is safer. And the one thing is about this calculation, the other thing is about the battery. And then battery is big enough, it's 500 mAh. Also at the same time, remember that it comes with a 33 watts fast charger. So well, you can always charge your phone fast and have the same performance and play your game at the same time. So if you want to play game or you want to watch a short video on your phone, another thing is about audio, right? So I'm just going to show you play a very quick one and show you how this performs. Okay, and a little bit up on the volume. Okay, that's about it. So if you want to get a better experience on this, you can either check in the store or you can check on more details on our website. And why this one comes with all this high-end performance, but it's not significantly expensive, because they definitely cut the budget on the screen. Most of the smartphone, the high-end smartphone, come with the A-mode screen, but this one is an LCD. However, this is still bright enough, and you wouldn't really notice a difference, because this is a small screen. And with all this budget, with all the equipment, this one only costs you $576 with GearBest, and the 10T one costs $100 and something more. I would personally go for the 10T version, because first, only two difference is the 10T Pro is 2 grams heavier than this one, and the camera difference is 108 MP versus 64 MP. And the most important thing is you are just getting a smartphone that gives you the top performance, and while at the same time support the 5G, right? Everybody is talking about a much faster data experience. Well, leave a comment with us if there is anything you want to know about this smartphone, and always subscribe and like our page. And if you are still in the process of building a smart home, and definitely check out our website. So take care and see you guys next time. Bye.